आपके फादर ने भी बगावती तेवर दिखाए थे अपने जमाने में हीरो में,
और अभी भी दिखाते हैं।
नहीं नहीं, और हाँ, और
Excited to be here today for the trailer launch of Baghi. Collaborations between two production companies is that you realize that this is the movie business and you'll have your ups and downs, but as long as you're working really well together, the teams are really well aligned, you're trying to bring great cinema to audiences, cinema like Kick, Hero Panti, Two States. You know, we've brought so many great movies and some have done well and some haven't, but I think overall it's been a tremendous association. We've had just great fun working together. Sajid Nadiadwala with this film is back doing what he does best, bringing you mass, commercial, entertaining cinema of the sort that he's been known for more than 2-3 decades for bringing his audiences. And I'd like to call him on stage right now. He's a great partner, great filmmaker, and great talent that we've had a great opportunity to work with for the last few years.
Thank you, Sid, for those sweet words. I remember 2 years back, we were here for Hero Panti, very nervous. Tiger, Jackie, Ahmed. Exactly 2 years later, we are back again. The team has worked very hard. And the moment you see the trailer, I assume you all like it. And great journey. Sabir and my whole team has been working day and night. We would like you all to see the trailer first, and then we would like to call the talent on the stage. Let's begin. Tiger!
So we can open it up to some Q&As, or first actually let's get Sabir, Shraddha and Tiger to say a few words.
Really quickly, I want to thank every single person who's been on the film. It's been a really tough film to make. We've stuck it out together. I think it's been a great journey. Secondly, and most importantly, I'd like to dedicate this film to the art of Kalari Payattu. It's a very important theme in the film. And it's very close to our heart. Thank you.
Tiger.
Good evening or afternoon. Hi. Thank you. मुझे याद है 2 साल पहले आया था यहाँ for my first film Hero Panti, and 2 years later I'm here. I haven't stepped into PVR since then, but I'm very thankful. बहुत ही शुक्रगुजार हूँ मैं to Sajid sir, Siddharth sir, Sabir sir, my director, Shraddha, and the rest of the team, Baghi team, of course. I'm blessed to be here today, and I'm blessed to be a part of such an honest, real film. I'm blessed to have a chance to show a little bit of my talent again. I'm very thankful that I've met so many new people in this journey. First time working with Shraddha Kapoor. I mean, being such a big star that she is, you know, when you're talking to her, she doesn't, you know, she behaves so normal and simple. It's just inspiring being around her. And so thank you so much, Shraddha. Again, we're repeating, other than Shraddha, the Hero Panti team from Siddharth sir, Sajid sir, and Sabir sir, of course. Blessed to be working with them. And I hope Sajid sir won't be sick of me after this film. But yeah, I'm just very fortunate, and I just hope you guys enjoyed the trailer. I'll pass it on to Shraddha now.
Hi everyone, it's really nice to see all you guys, all you kids out there behind. Hi everyone. It's nice that you guys came to see our trailer. I hope you really liked it. I'm sure that you guys are crazy about everything that Tiger does, aren't you guys? Exactly. And nobody can do what he does.
Except for Shraddha Kapoor.
I tried a few kicks here and there. I tried to do that, but it's really awesome to be included in the Heropanti team now. The energy that was there in that film, and Sabir sir and Tiger's combination, of course. So thank you so much for including me in this film. This experience has been really nice. बहुत ही memorable experience रहा है. बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला. To do scenes with Tiger. Tiger इतने inspiring है, just the way that he is, and of course Sabir sir की जो positivity रही है on sets, it's totally unmatchable. And to come back again with UTV, and it's my first film with Sajid sir. So here's hoping that there are many more. Yeah, so I'm really excited. Got to do a lot of new things in this film, learn new things, as I said, and hope you all enjoy the movie as well. Thank you.